All right, welcome to the channel. I hope that each and every one of you are doing well on today. And so today, guys, what I'm going to do is show you how I converted file folders. I shipped these over along with some other items from America to Ghana, and they have been sitting basically boxed up, and I've emptied them, and now I want to make some good use out of them. I took these file folders, I placed holes on the bottom of them, which I'll show you in just a minute, and I use that just to serve as a way for the water once I plant the collards, because that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be planting collards in these and see how they grow, and you'll see in the end. So please stay tuned to the end, guys, and see how they turn out. I'll also share with you how and why one container grew larger than the other. But you'll see here the holes that I placed there so that any water that gets into there, it won't just be sitting in there, but it will actually flow out. Okay. And then I'm going to take you outside in just a moment, and you will see that I also had some seeds that were black seeds that I was going to plant, but I decided against that. So give me just a minute and we'll be outside. Oh, that took shorter than I thought. All right, so here you see the Georgia collards here. That's what I use. So I brought those over with me so that I can try them out, and I have other plans for collards here in Ghana, but I wanted to test this out, and this is just regular soil that I got for some other things that I was doing in the garden. It's not even good soil for gardening, but I just wanted to test this, right? It's good, but it's nothing special, I should say. And then you see the pack of black seeds here. And it was inside of one of the containers, so it shared the container with the collards, with one set of collards or one container of collards, but they never came up. But what you're going to see is that as I continue on, I allowed one container to just be kind of freestyle, and being here in Africa, the wind brings all sorts of seeds, birds bring seeds, and so on and so forth. So this is the beginning of the collards growing. Okay, so this is how they started out. Okay, and then you'll see that they continue to grow. So they're looking good here, but also if you look closely, you'll see that other plants were also starting to grow here. Now this is at an early stage as well, looking good. But now you see here that there's some other plants growing in here, and I decided to allow the box just to grow into a wild box. So one of them grew into a nature box, and so this brought birds or whatever brought the wind brought different seeds, and different plants grew up, and I actually looked them up to see what they were. But this is another container that I allowed just to grow collards, and you're going to see in the next clip the difference between the two containers. Don't they look good, guys? They look really delicious. I'm not going to eat these, or I wasn't going to eat them. I just wanted to test them out to see. So the container right here on the left is the one that grew only collards. Right, so you see that that's full, and that's how Georgia collards grow. They grow like that. Now this one actually shared the container with the other plants, and you can see how I went in and pulled them out, but they did have an impact on the growth of the other plant. So bring your greens over, guys, and get to planting and enjoy. Thank you so much for tuning in, and have a wonderful day. Shalom.